Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trezor Safe 5. First, unbox your device and connect it to your computer using the included USB-C cable. Navigate to trezor.io/start in your web browser to begin the setup. You will then install the Trezor Suite application, which is essential for managing your device and cryptocurrencies. Follow the clear on-screen prompts to initialize your Trezor Safe 5 and create your secure new wallet. This initial setup takes only a few minutes. After connecting, your Trezor Safe 5 will guide you through generating a new wallet. This process creates a unique 20-word recovery seed phrase. It is absolutely critical to write this phrase down accurately on the provided recovery card. You will then verify it by re-entering it into the device. Remember, this seed phrase is the only way to recover your funds if your Trezor is lost or damaged, so store it in a very secure, private place. With your Trezor Safe 5 set up, open the Trezor Suite application and connect your device. To receive cryptocurrencies, simply select the asset you wish to receive and generate a unique address. Share this address with the sender. For sending, input the recipient's address and the amount into Trezor Suite. Crucially, always verify all transaction details directly on your Trezor Safe 5 screen before confirming. This ensures maximum security for your digital assets. The Trezor Safe 5 offers advanced features like Shamir backup, allowing you to split your recovery phrase into multiple shares for even greater security. Consider enabling passphrase protection, which adds an extra layer of defense to your wallet. Always keep your device's firmware updated through the Trezor Suite to ensure you have the latest security enhancements. Most importantly, never, under any circumstances, share your 20-word recovery seed phrase or passphrase with anyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.